So today we're going to be talking about something. It's called AI. The question is, can AI make you money via trading? So we're going to be breaking down the truths and the lies about it, the facts and the myths about AI. Today I'm going to be using my money to trade with AI to show you how AI can help you make money, whether it's legit or not. So like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. So to activate your AI trading button on Pocket Option, go to settings. You find the option in the first window, and once enabled, it will appear between long and short buttons. So after pressing it, the algorithm will start analyzing the charts and placing trades automatically. It selects expiration times on its own, but not the investment amount. So I'll set mine to $100 per trade. So for this test, I've allocated $5,000. Let's see if this thing actually generates profits or if it's just hype. So I'm selecting currency pairs with the highest payout percentages along the way. Good. So I'll break down what's happening, explain the logic, and we'll try to figure out how this artificial intelligence really works. So first, I need to find a stable setup. So candles should move smoothly without, sharp spikes. The Euro AUD pair looks perfect for this, so I'll trade it. Or rather, let's take the AI and give it the wheel so that it can trade. So the active growth phase has peaked. We're seeing a pullback now. Expect that the support zone should hold. So this prevents further downside, and perfect. The AI and I are on the same page. This is an equal entry point here. So, okay, wait a minute. The algorithm might actually know what it's doing. Since I know some beginners might be watching this, I'll highlight key points. So see this green rectangle here? The support level for the current uptrend is this. Okay, good. So it's not a hard rule, but it helps you visualize where the price might bounce back up. With the current bullish trend, the odds are in our favor. So now let's be real. I'm not a fan of what's it called, automated trading. I only trust my analysis. But for this video, I've set aside money I can afford to lose. But in real trading, I'd never do this, and I would advise you should also never do this. So it's like going to a discount dentist who drills teeth at random. Would you do that? No, I'm sure you would not do that. So it also applies for the same thing here. This is why you need to take control of your own future, because no one else is willing to build it for you. You want to fast track your journey to financial freedom and get your money quick and change your life for the better? Well, I have something here for you. It's my Telegram channel. Just subscribe to my channel, write to me. I'm there always. So I'll help you make profits, help you make money. So okay, now look here. This red resistance line is where the magic is going to happen. So the market has rejected this multiple level times. Watch how candles literally bounce off it like a trampoline. Each touch sends price flying in the opposite direction, and boom! Oh wow, the AI nailed it. Trigger the perfect short entry. Almost makes you believe in trading witchcraft, doesn't it? It's like magic. Okay, maybe I should retire my charts and let the bots just trade for me. Nah, I can't do that. I'm just playing. I won't believe this hype until I see the final results. So the downward momentum is developing nicely. My balance is growing. So I'll increase the position size slightly. So let's be careful. I'm not trying to YOLO my account here. This is purely experimental to measure the AI profits potential, and just the opposite to see how much I might lose while testing it. So beautiful. Oh wow, another winning trade closes in profit. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. So it's time to test different waters. The Euro AUD pair has disappointingly low payouts ratios for successful predictions. Let's find even better opportunities. I'm skeptical about the short signal, but look at that. Oh wow, the price just violently broke the structure. Oh wow, it broke it to the downside. That changes everything. Now the million-dollar question: how low can we go? Well, we're about to find out. Here's how we identify support. Find the lowest candle between the two significant lines, of course, and project that area to the current moment. To make it clearer, I'll do this right now. Okay, so most likely we'll see a price reaction when we do this. So why does this happen? It's simple. Market participants wait for the price to reach the level and start buying, opening opening long position, and as a result, the price rises. It seems my faithful servant is bringing me profit again. Guys, why I still have doubts, in most cases, it's actually trading profitably. The deposit is steadily growing. A long contract, wow. There's logic in its decision, and the impact on price is already visible. The shadow under the candle is growing. It may be red, but it's increasing each time. I won't speculate, I'll just monitor the situation. Let me check it out. Actually, the best entry is when candles reach the green zone, but I'm not sure if it will open a long position here. On the time frame, we can already see a pullback, but it seems like just a correction. So no, the trade didn't work out. It got stopped. Wow, it got stopped out because there's still room for the price to fall. A loss, but it's not a big deal. We all make mistakes, and I will give this AI another chance. Honestly, I was hoping it will go long, but now for some reason it's opened a short position. Although before it was doing everything right, just slightly missed the expiration time in here. This shows you that even AI can make mistakes. Okay, so now I think no one will mind if I add the RSI oscillator to the chart. I got curious about what stage the trend is at right now. Aha! We're seeing a steady decline. The curve is approaching the lower zone. As long as it doesn't break out of it, we can expect further downside. Although the price might not break through the support level after all, but we'll see. Oh, wait, look, it's breaking through confidently. Oh, wow. Let's see. Something tells me that this bounce is about to back up with sharp spikes. Oh, yes. It's brilliant. I actually rate this. The trend is clearly bullish. You can easily tell by looking at the size of the previous green candles. Let me highlight them here for you to see. So after the consolidation phase, we're seeing deliberate upward pressure. This isn't just a correction anymore. Next, the asset will either enter a sideways range, or break the structure and continue rising. All right, this could take a while. We need to find something interesting, to keep it going. Okay, come on, let's try this. A highly volatile instrument. Time to increase the difficulty. I suspect it detected active momentum buying, so this makes sense in principle. Plus, the RSI clearly shows that the price segment gaining momentum in an upward pattern. The asset has room to move up on the resistance level I marked, which is here. Yeah, over. So overall, this looks fine. Let's wait for the results. Oh, what do we have at the previous spot? Good. I would have traded this situation profitably myself too, of course. These patterns are the easiest to predict. I mean, the trend is up, the correction starts, and as soon as it ends, we enter a long position, and it's nothing complicated. Now, as soon as the price starts moving downward again, I'll press the blue button once more. I'm really curious to what it will do this time. I hope it doesn't disappoint me again. Who does that? What kind of short trade is this? When the price is, being thrown up like that, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but it seems like a mistake to me. There's a strong reaction visible from the lower level here. How could it possibly miss that? Tell me. It seems like technology doesn't understand some basic concepts, but it will get there probably. Just look, the price is rising. Why? It's because the support zone is pushing it back. That's it. There's no other explanation for this. You could trade this perfectly fine without any signals from here. I don't know. This has really, it's troubling. It has frustrated me. On the smaller time frame, everything is relatively clear. You can see the oscillations, especially where the green candles are. Their bodies are unusually large. I don't know. But I'm shocked, guys. Some magical force intervened. My trade hit. Oh wow, it hit break even. No profit though, because it closed exactly where it opened. So no loss, no profit was made. It's just perfectly in the middle. This happens sometimes, but it's very rare, and I am just extremely lucky. So finally, it came to its senses and decided to open a long position. The pressure below the pressure zone below it, it's holding but weakening. This can be ignored. What we're seeing here, it's pure ranging action. Oh wow. So the price is in stock of a channel, and the profit is potential for strategic traders. So the price is in the channel, but remember that strong earlier decline that we had earlier. So these drops create pressure zones, like I explained before, and now the level is pushing the price even downwards. So the AI actually made the right call here. Kudos to it. Of course, entering now is very risky. We better wait for candles to hit the red end, so the red or green lines, but waiting for that might take forever. We're seeing the same downward spikes. At least we have some hope that it remains. Meanwhile, another instrument looks absolutely terrible. The currency pair just broke the support. This is not good. Buyers are losing and to sellers now, but I'm not sure what this is going to look like. But the pressure zone testing it is obviously won't work. So the price keeps making lower lows. It's just dropping. So all right, let's see what our digital assistant thinks. Honestly, I'm not sure anymore. Oh wow, actually that's not bad. It clearly recognizes the broken level. Though it had set it for longer expiration, maybe 2 minutes. Actually, 90 seconds should actually work too. All right, I'll stop nitpicking. In my opinion, it's still rough around the edges, but the results aren't totally horrible. It's not bad. That's it, guys. Last 2 contracts at $500 each. If they hit, this session ends in the profits. If not, losses will be staring us right in the face. Okay, so he had some decent opportunities, so let's wait for the outcome to decide if this AI is actually trade worthy or it's too premature. More of a toy than a trading tool. We'll figure something out by the end of this video. I won't cry over a loss, but profits, who doesn't love those? It's making me tense. Volatility during the actual down is crazy, but when this happens, chances improve for a clean directional move. I think we might take this one. Not 100% confident, but the odds do look decent. The red candle got a fat body. Seriously selling pressure. Wow. Come on. And oh, so close. No way. Oh wow, we got it. It's brilliant execution, guys. Luck or skill, it does not matter. Profit is profit. So the final verdict, friends, I do not recommend this for real trading, because it's still it's in its development stage. It's very raw, but we have to be real here. We're just money from pushing buttons, and it sounds like trading fairy tales, of course, but price is now moving downwards with conviction. Let's be real. See, there's no such thing as free lunch, as these AI trading neural networks. It's just marketing. It's gimmicks. To make real money, you need to master trading yourself. There are no shortcuts. So it looks like this one is going in red. Folks, trading without technical analysis ends exactly like this trade. It ends in the red, which is not, of course, red is bad. This is not good. So you want to level up your skills, all you have to do, is join me, hit the like button here, and send me a message on Telegram where I will give you advice personally that will help you improve your trading. So let's crunch the numbers here. So guys, the verdict is clear. AI will not make you money like this. AI cannot do that. The only way you can do that is by learning how to trade for yourself. So what do you think? Do you think AI will become better than people are trading, or do you think humans will always have the edge? To know this, I just want you to drop your comments. Leave comments for me so that I can read and know what you're thinking about this AI thing. So another thing, my Telegram channel. I want you to subscribe to my Telegram channel and write to me, because there we can communicate with each other effectively. Join my Telegram channel. There's even something going on. 50% off on pocket option. Yes, what? If you drop $10,000, you're going to get $5,000 up. I'm not telling you to do that, but that's how it works. And that's all for today, folks. I want you to just, subscribe, share, like, comment on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.